So I got the mounts all painted up except for the edges on the one I got to weld to the body there. So it's pretty much. So I got these brackets all welded up and painted just for rust protection on the welds themselves. This one I left a little bit bulky for now, just in case I wanted to add something to it, hang something off it. I notched this subframe and just threw a little lick of paint on that as well so it doesn't rust. That'll give some more clearance for the exhaust header. So I'm starting to get this engine kind of taken apart so I can modify the trigger wheels a bit, and that way I'll be able to run the Speeduino on it with no issues. It'll give me a good trigger pattern, because this trigger pattern isn't supported, so we just got to modify the trigger wheels a bit, and of course this crank bolt. So just finished making the last piece, that little wishbone at the rear. I just used some old A-arms that I had kicking around. I had two of them, cut a side off of each, wherever the other one went, and welded them together. So it's going to be that little piece in the back. Motor's back in. Just got to put that this last piece in there. So let's test fit it. So now that the motor is in, need to focus on a fuel rail. About $100 from eBay, and a fuel pressure regulator and some other things. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this back mount here very good. This hose is out of the way. You can kind of get a glimpse. Kind of what's going on in there, but so engine's in, all hung in place. Just gonna work on a few things, fuel lines and exhaust and all that. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Cheers.